Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I would like to talk about the biggest marketplace I have ever seen that contains millions of assets for everyone who is working on print on demand, graphic design, KDP, Amazon, and so on. And this legendary website is Creative Fabrica. Yeah, trust me, Creative Fabrica is the biggest platform you will ever meet because you will find there everything you want, starting with vectors, illustrations, clip arts, patterns, mockups, Photoshop presets, backgrounds, low content of KDB, and much more. Thus, if you wanna ready to use designs, if you are a beginner on print on demand business, so Creative Fabrica is your right place. If you wanna premium fonts, Creative Fabrica is your right spot. If you wanna low content interiors of KDB Amazon, Creative Fabrica is your right choice. And to amaze you more about Creative Fabrica, just please stick with me in this walkthrough in Creative Fabrica. Let's go. And here on Creative Fabrica, you will find all these categories that you can use in your project, in your businesses. So if you have a look at font category, you will find a lot of font types like display, serif, black letter, decorative, pads, and so on. So you can pick out your favorite font and you can make your designs to make your headlines of your Amazon ebooks and so on. Okay, and you'll find here a lot of premium fonts, millions of premium fonts. Okay, and if we have a look at this amazing category, graphic category, you'll find here everything you want. So if you are working on print on demand, graphic design, or if you are searching for low content interiors for your KDB business, so here you will find like coloring book adults, coloring books, kids, teaching materials, patterns, product mockups, logos, illustrations, backgrounds, KDB interiors, actions into presets, scene generators, and so on. So if we have a look at this category of KDB interiors, for example, you will find here about 56,000 results, KDB interiors low content. As you see here, mega KDB editable templates, top selling journal bundle, editable interior templates for any niche, for any occasions, for any holidays, as you see here, for Easter, for Halloween, teaching materials, and so on, journals, unicorn, okay, as you see here, planner agenda 2022, decluttering planner, coloring books for adults, for kids, and so on, for mazes, as you see here, mandalas coloring pages, Easter KDB interiors. Okay, and all these KDB interiors are ready to use with commercial license, and you can just upload in your account on your KDB Amazon. Okay, as you see here, about 50,000 results. Okay, so if we can try another category like this one, patterns. Okay, here you will find huge amounts of pattern designs that you can use for any niche, for any field, as you see here. And if you are working on print on demand business, this huge amounts, these huge collections of patterns, it's your choice. So you can upload these patterns on your Redbubble account, your Redbubble store, your Teespring, Spreadshirt, and so on, and to make amazing products and items like leggings, duffel bags, masks, shower curtains, bath mats, and so on, and all these patterns with commercial license and full POD usage. Okay, and I said before, if you are searching for anything, any niche, any micro niche for print on demand business, for example, you can search for dogs, cats, for breast cancers, for autism awareness, for Black history, for American flag, soft balls, anything you want. For example, you can search for fishing. Okay, as you see, t-shirt. Okay, as you see here, you will find a lot of professional ready to use designs that you can use if you are not professional on working on professional softwares like Photoshop or Illustrator or so on, but you can use these professional ready to use designs and upload them directly to your platform. For example, if we go to this one, okay, you'll find this amazing design in a lot of formats like AI, EPS, SVG, PNG with transparent background, so you can use directly to your Redbubble, Teespring, Spreadshirt, and so on, GPG, and all mockups you want to promote your design professionally on social media. Okay, of course you will find these formats in a zip file. Okay, just you can download this file, commercial and for full POD usage allowed. Okay, and of course you'll find here anything you want, like softballs, like tennis lover, for reading lover, for micro niches, for different types of dogs like husky, bulldog, show, and so on, like for Pernicious mountain dog, for example, mountain dog. Okay, for example, just so we can go to this one. And for any keyword you type here on search bar, you will find in this left panel as you want. You can search for illustration as filtered illustrations, animals, print templates, crafts, dogs, for fonts and so on, crafts, embroideries. Okay, as you see here, a lot of clip arts, ready to use designs, bundles, as you see, some crafts, some sketches. Perfect. Okay. And for sure, if you are wondering regarding the price of subscriptions on Creative Fabrica, so what do you think of getting all these elements, all these assets of Creative Fabrica just for $1? Yes, you heard him right. If you hit the link below in the first comment, you can get all the entire library of Creative Fabrica of millions of vectors, illustrations, fonts, designs, mockups, and much more just for $1. And of course, this unmissable offer will expire soon, so take the action now and visit the link below in the first comment that directs you to the $1 offer. So if you are working on print-on-demand business, or you are working on KDP Amazon, just for $1 you can try all these assets, all these designs, all these low content interiors, and upload them directly to your platforms to make more sales. And now we reach the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video, and goodbye.